Hi everyone. I'm doing a quick video because I'm finding out that there's issues with getting into the ebook. Uh, the impression I had was wrong, and then I sent you an email and found out that wasn't correct either. So I am going to show you how to get into your ebook right now. I'm in Student View, and so this is how it should look for you guys as well. Uh, On the left side, you should see modules. You should be able to click on that, and then you should be able to click on this, and then it's going to have that. And then let me cheat real quick. If you already have a Cengage account, you'll sign in. If not, you'll have to create an account. So when you click Cengage, and then you put in your password, you sign in. Um, so you won't get this. You will actually get the ebook. You'll probably have to put in your access code, but you'll get the ebook. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm logging in as a student on my instructor account. So, um, so let me see what happens when I do it from Leave Student View. Um, okay, so this is what you'll eventually get to if you use the your student account with your Cengage Unlimited subscription. Uh, If you have the physical textbook, you're free to use it. It should be the exact same information. If you don't have Cengage Unlimited and you're not able to get into this, use the physical textbook. If they gave you an access code, use the access code so you're able to get into this if you don't want to use the textbook. I will leave that up to all of you. So, again, I'm sorry for all the confusion that this is creating. Um, I inherited this class and I wasn't aware of how they had ran it in the past. So uh, it's the first week hiccups. Um, Hopefully from here on out, we'll have a good, easy rest of the semester. So as always, if you run into problems, get a hold of me, reach out, call me, email, however you need to. I will reply as quickly as I can. Thanks.